a phone call from my friend and she asked, how do you marinate your lamb? Well, Stephanie, this video is the answer to your question. The ingredients I normally use: ginger, garlic, spring onions, some fresh pepper, some dry Nigerian pepper, turmeric, thyme, African curry if you have, mint, and nut cubes. I added quite a lot. That I'll drop in the comment section. One thing we'll be missing here today is soya sauce. But I have my sunflower oil that will serve as well. A little bit of sunflower oil. The purpose of adding is to achieve that kind of sticky paste. Anyways, I went ahead and added other dry ingredients. You can see the names on there. Don't forget to check the comment section for the remaining ingredients. Now do me a favor. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, where was I? Yes, the purpose was to achieve sticky paste. After adding all the spices and the herbs, I'll go ahead and blend everything together. Now let's listen to a little music. This music kind of reminds me of those Chinese I used to watch in them days. I'm done blending. I'm going to pour that into my glass plate, but bit by bit. Then I will introduce my lamb. Please watch closely, and you see the why I'm using this method. Is to ensure that the paste goes round. Now I've added a little bit of the paste. And I'm also going to add some bits of the lamb, and I'll mix it properly. So I'll do it layer by layer. And the purpose of this is to ensure that the lamb is well marinated. This is how it comes out amazing. Well, this video was a special request from my friend Stephanie. I hope you've learned one or two from how I marinate my lamb. And I also know that one or two persons watching this video will also learn this method. Although there are people that prefer to add the dry spices directly to the lamb, that is another good method. However, I still prefer the pasty method. Now I'm adding the remaining of the paste. I'm going to mix it now with the lamb, or will I use the word romance it properly with the lamb until it's totally covered for just 3 minutes before. And once I'm done, I'll use my cling film, cover, and set aside. I finally put it in the fridge to marinate overnight. This is my method of marinating my lamb, and 100% it comes out perfect all the time. Try this method and thank me later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.